Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to buy a bear put spread using Robinhood. I'll also walk you through the video using a custom Google Sheet tool. And just so you know, all the Google Sheet tools I make for this channel will be free forever. I think they're great ways to learn as you can play with them, right? Mess with them to figure out how things work. And they're free. So just get the link from the video description, make yourself a copy. No signups, no email required. And if you can get some benefit out of them, please like my videos and subscribe. That'll just motivate me to keep making these videos. And obviously, the more videos I make, the more free tools for you. So please subscribe. All right, let's go to the topic, bear put spreads. What's in a bear put spread? A long in the money put. You buy in the money put, and a short out of the money put. You got to sell one of them. So when does someone buy bear put spreads? When they're bearish and they think the stock will go down. Why not just buy a very safe in the money put and call it a day, right? You can still do that, but it'll cost you a lot, right? It'll cost you a good amount, and that's where these spreads come in handy, right? The spreads are cost effective. They're also well defined. I mean, you can make them very well defined so that oh, okay, not only I can save this much by, buying a spread instead of a single leg option, I know what my maximum profit and maximum loss will be, right? So that's why the spreads are amazing. I love using spreads. Okay, so that bear put spreads, right? It'll help you reduce your cost, and help you capture some profit even when the market is in downtrend. You're bearish, you can use these to make profit. The highlight of this strategy is you're going to buy low and sell high. Okay, here's some questions that you can review, question and answer. You can review to understand how it works. If you want to understand the buyer-seller interaction, I recommend checking out this answer and also this example. It'll help you understand what the whole trade is going to look like what's a successful trade will look like, or even what's a trade will look like, what's a trade is going to look like when you're losing, right? When you're losing a trade, try to close it out. Even at a loss, close it out before you have to, I guess, you get handed the maximum loss. And I think this question will help you as well if you are confused about at the money, out of the money, or in the money for put. They're different. At the money, out of the money, and in the money criteria is different for call and put options. So check out this question and answer for put. If you want to know about the call, check out this question. So in the last video, I covered bear call spread, which is you can use bear call spread to make money when you're bearish as well. In bear call spread, you sell a spread and you buy it to close it. In bear put spread, you are buying to open and selling to close. Sorry. Whew, that was a mouthful. Okay. All right. There are no collaterals when you buy a bear put spread. That's some people like that. They don't want to deal with collaterals. They don't want to have their capital get tied into some trade and get locked up for a certain amount of time. All right, let's see. So your max profit is going to be the strike width minus the price you paid to buy the spread. Your max loss is when what you predicted is the stock going down didn't happen and the spread value didn't go up. In fact, it pretty much stayed the same, and then there's no incentive for you. Just try to get the money you paid back to break even, or you might not make any money and it'll go worthless. It'll expire, it'll be worthless. That's the worst scenario. Okay, so in this tool, all the yellow cells are the one you need to fill out. Then you'll see what's going to be your max profit, what's going to be your max loss, what would be a good point to close out your trade. So let's go to some stocks. I have Starbucks pulled up, Phillips 66 pulled up. I mean, I think these are very pretty decent stocks, but they do have I guess coronavirus definitely impact their businesses and whatnot. So let's say businesses are closing, Starbucks, people are visiting Starbucks less and less. So, it's in the news, and Starbucks, you anticipate that Starbucks will go down. So what do? You go to Starbucks, you pick a decent amount of date. If you want to know about the steps, um, the steps are very simple. You got to have enough money to buy it. You want to make sure that the stocks are stable. It's not gonna, oh yeah, the news is bad, so the stock is gonna drop like by 50% of its value. You don't want to trade those stocks. You want to find some stable stocks. Pick a decent amount of length, and for this, to keep your costs low when you're buying a bear put spread, try to pick shallow strike prices, right? Not too deep in the money or out of the money. That'll keep your strike width low, right? So for Starbucks, let's say the price is here. What you can do is buy this one, right? Because we have to buy. Actually, let's type it out. Starbucks. This is the price. So we're gonna buy one that's above the price. So, sorry. Put buy. Go to current price, and then let's buy this one and sell this one. This will keep our strike width 50 cents. That means that'll be the maximum price if I am correct. So, all right. So I have to pay 23 cents or $23 to buy this. All right, let's put 76. No, 75.5. And this is 75. Yep, I'm paying 24 cents. Okay, so now that we have all the numbers here, let's go over what's going on. This is the higher strike price. This is the lower strike price. This is how much I'm paying to buy this spread. Maximum closing price is, or the spread width is 50 cents. So I buy this by paying 24 cents. If the stock price continues to go down and it goes under $75, you're going to see that the value of the spread is going to go up. It's not going to be 24 cents anymore. It's going to keep going up. And if it keeps staying under 75, it'll eventually become 50 cents. That's your maximum closing price or spread weight. It doesn't matter how far it goes down. This specific spread, the way it's set up, it'll not go over 50 cents. So if it ever reaches 50 cents, just sell it. Just close it. Take your profit, which will be 26, right? If you sell it at maximum closing price or spread width, it's going to be 50 cents minus 24. This is your maximum profit. However, if you want to be consistent, you want to lock in your profits, just monitor the trade. If it's the value of it is going up and you see it's about 50% more than what you paid for the spread, just close your position by selling it. That's pretty much how it goes. Buy low, sell high, right? That's what you are doing here to make a profit. Well, let's look at another example. I think we can have look at another example. PSX 6520. So let's go here. Go to buy and put. So yeah, let's get this one, sell this one. Okay, gonna cost 55. Okay. All right, so Again, the maximum, if I'm right and the stock price keeps going down, the maximum price I can sell this for is $1. Since I paid 55 cents for it, at the maximum closing price, which is $1, I'm gonna make $45. But however, if I'm right and the value of the spread keeps going up, I will probably close this position by selling it at a higher price of 83 cents. That'll help me to capture about 50% profit, which is the price I paid times 1.5. That'll get me 50% profit. So that's how you carry out a bear put spread. If you don't like to buy option spreads to make money, then especially when you're bearish, consider checking out my last video, which is bear call spread, where you sell a spread to open position and then you buy it to close it. In this one, you are going to sell high, buy low. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you like it, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Other than that, please share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.